This is a review of this lifetime work table. The legs fold in. This is commercial grade material. As you can see, I've had this thing for years. It's got paint, it's got scratches. If I need to cut something, I can just use the blade directly on the table. This thing is really versatile. What's nice about it is the legs fold in like this, and it gets this really low profile. So for storage purposes, it's very thin. It's just this profile that you see at the top there. That's all you need for storage. So if you're looking for a nice commercial grade extra table around the garage or a workroom or for your next office party and you want something that's going to last for years and years, this is the table to get. With its auto locking technology, setting up this 6-foot table is safe and easy. Its commercial grade construction ensures superior strength and durability. The UV protected high density polyethylene top adds to its long-lasting quality. Get ready to transform your space with this versatile and convenient folding table.